how to update a SIN number in CRA account. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to access your CRA account, sign into your CRA My Account using your existing credentials. Like, you have to first go to the canada.ca/en/revenue agency.html and click on the CRA sign in and give the credentials and sign in to your account. And then once logged in, find the section for managing your personal information. This might be under profile, my account settings, or a similar heading. Look for the option to update your social insurance number. You may need a provide supporting documentations to verify the change, and after that you have to submit the update. Like, follow the on-screen instructions to submit the updated information. So you can also try by mail. Like, you can submit a written request to the CRA to update your SIN, include supporting documents and a copy of your SIN card or other official document. And you can also give it in person, like visit a Service Canada office within the required documentation to update your SIN. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.